This video is to take you on a mind-bending journey into the extraordinary world of neutron stars. Brace yourselves for an incredible adventure. Neutron stars are the remnants of massive stars that have undergone a supernova explosion. These celestial wonders are incredibly dense, packing an astounding amount of mass into a compact size. When a massive star exhausts its nuclear fuel, it collapses under its own gravity. This collapse is so intense that it squeezes protons and electrons together, forming neutrons. The resulting neutron star has a density so extreme that a mere teaspoonful of its material would weigh about 6 billion tons on Earth. To put this mind-boggling weight into perspective, let's consider some examples. Imagine you had a teaspoonful of neutron star material in your hand. The weight you would feel would be equivalent to approximately 6 million adult African elephants or around 3 million mid-sized cars. As we fill this teaspoon with neutron star material, its weight increases exponentially, far surpassing the weight of any object we encounter on Earth. Just imagine the sheer force of gravity within this teaspoonful. It's truly mind-blowing. The intense gravity of a neutron star is what gives it its immense weight. It's so strong that it distorts spacetime itself, creating gravitational waves that ripple through the fabric of the universe. These gravitational waves have been detected by advanced observatories, providing scientists with valuable insights into the mysteries of the cosmos. Understanding the properties of neutron stars is not only awe-inspiring but also crucial for our understanding of the fundamental laws of physics and the evolution of the universe. Inside a neutron star, immense pressure and temperatures create unique states of matter. Scientists believe that the core of a neutron star might contain a superfluid, a state of matter with zero viscosity. This exotic state of matter challenges our current understanding of physics and holds the key to unlocking the secrets of extreme environments in the universe. Researchers worldwide are working tirelessly to explore the mysteries of neutron stars, using advanced mathematical models and cutting-edge telescopes.